Hi, this is Dr. Scott Morris. I am the medical director of Eye Consultants of Colorado in Conifer, Colorado. I think one of the most fascinating things when it comes to Blephadex is really maybe a little deeper when we talk about what is the relationship between Demodex and acne. And we found that a lot of our patients have figured this link out on their own and said, but it makes my skin better too. And the answer is yes, it does that for a reason. What we're learning about Demodex and acne and the relationship between the two is they're probably directly associated, directly linked together. I want you to think about it like this. So what happens with our bodies, specifically people who are predisposed to acne, is what happens is there's a certain point in their life where some reason genetically something turns on and they start making oil or lipids in their body that has a much higher free fatty acid content than maybe everybody else. Bacteria that also live in our skin or live on our eyelids have a chance to proliferate, reproduce, and so we increase our bacterial count. Now, obviously the bacteria that get stuck in the oil glands can cause clogs and clots, and we might refer to those as whiteheads or blackheads or whatever. But what we're finding is that the relationship between the predator and the prey, in this case between Demodex mites and bacteria, also have a direct correlation or a direct link in terms of rosacea. As the bacterial count goes up, we also know the predators, which in this case are the Demodex mites, whether it be brevium in the skin or follicularium in the eyelashes, also continue to proliferate. We get more and more of them because there's more and more of a food source. And so what happens is that many times the little breakouts that we get might be thick oil, they might be increased bacterial count, or they might be an overproduction or over-manifestation of Demodex mites, or most likely they're probably a combination of all three. So if we can mechanically remove some of the oil, whichever method it may be, in the case of Blephadex we're talking about the coconut oil and the wipes, and at the same time remove bacteria and treat the Demodex with the tea tree oil, we have a very effective combination for treating acne rosacea as it's related to Demodex. And I will tell you, patient after patient after patient, I have hundreds, if not thousands of patients over the last couple of years have said, it makes my skin better. And I say, Blephadex. We treat it every day and we affect the root cause of what their acne really is.